Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So after a big gap, so right now I just back to that YouTube, and today we are just going to discuss one of the new topic. That one is the Matplotlib. So I think while looking at the thumbnail and you understand today what we'll just uh, choose the topic, and today we will just discuss all about that Matplotlib. And right now, so in that pandas part, so please just go through that and just complete it fast, right? So if you did not complete that NumPy, so please just go and visit that NumPy. Okay, so first of all, that complete that part, and then just come to that pandas, and then after that you can just come to that Matplotlib, right? So today only, so let's discuss all about the Matplotlib. So today onwards, so in this playlist, you will find that Matplotlib, right? So first of all, so this Matplotlib, what is the Matplotlib? So let me just listen. So today I will not open my video because so if I'll just open my video, so look at here, so that video background is not good and that clarity is also bad, very bad. So that's why I just up my video. Okay, so just focus on the concept, not focus on to me. Okay, so today is the Matplotlib library. So as you know, so let me just give some idea related to the Matplotlib. And this Matplotlib library is a one of the visualization library which is uh, specifically using that Python platform, right? Python platform. So here only show it is a widely used Python library for like creating the static and animated and interactive visualization in the data science and scientific computing. So it is provides a high level interface for drawing attractive and informative statistical graphics. So here, this Matplotlib is capable of creating various type of plots. Means you can just say that line plot, scatter plot, and a bar plot. Okay, so a lot of plottings are available here. So you can say like it is very powerful tools for the visualization data. Means we have a lot of data. Means like there is some CSV files and many types of files are there. So while reading out that files and after that means we need to just analyze that things, right? So for that only we need to that visualize that data, okay, so that we can just analyze that part. And for that only this Matplotlib and that one another one is that C1. So that this both libraries will be help you out to visualize the data, right? Good. So now let's start. Let's start from the basic. So as you know how to import that to NumPy and the pandas, yes or no? Right. So now, so let import. So if you don't know, so go for it. So import NumPy as NP. Import NumPy as NP. So as you know that NumPy as NP is the what alias. So then import pandas as PD. Arch PD. And now next one is what? So today we'll just learn all about what? Matplotlib, right? So import Matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT, right? So now here only show, let me just execute this part. So let me check, will it execute successfully or not? Yes, now it's executed. Okay, so let me just declare one variable, so that x, which is equal to what? Let np, okay, np dot arrange see in the pandas and that NumPy part. So we know how to just create that files and how to create the array in mathematical way. We can just go for the NumPy in that related to the data frame part. Okay, so series and pandas means like some of the data frame part, then you will just go for that pandas. Okay, and then now for that taking that data, and right now we have the data, means right now we have the capable to store the data in with the help of the Python. Means like we know how to just write the code so that this CSV file which will be fit in this Python part, in the Python environment, you can say. So here after that, so what we need to do, so if you will just move to my machine learning playlist, then you will find that data pre-processing part. Means like first things what you have to find out how to clean the data and all these things. Okay, means you need to just make that data perfectly, and then after that what you need to do, you need to just means like you can just analyze the data while visualizing the data, right? So now let me just create that means like a variable, that variable the x, and inside the variable I want to store the range is given. I just give the range 20, means 20 element means 19 element will be stored here, and then as it is, so like y which is equal to, just change the name, variable name, then np dot arrange of what, select 20, right? Arrays of 20, and then let me just multiply the two, right? So now only, so let's do what, so let me just execute and just check it. Yes, successfully executed. And let me just print out first of all x. So for x only, now see, so here name x is not defined. So what is the problem here? Yes, what is the problem here? The problem is what? So here I'm just writing the small x, and but here I'm just writing the capital X. So that's why the problem. Now, if I'll just execute, see this. Okay. Similarly, if I'll just execute the y, see this. Clear? And similarly, if I will just execute that print x and then print y. Okay, so see, so like this it will be print. Clear, everyone? Clear? Okay, so if I'll just see like a tell like a type of x. So now see typecasting. So type of letter x. Now see, okay, so numpy ND array. And now you already know how it is, means why it is showing the numpy ND array and what do you mean by the numpy ND array. Okay, because you have to just look, means go back to my numpy playlist, then after that you can easily understand what all these things. Okay, because if I will just explain here, then it will take time. So here numpy type x and the type y. So the next point is what? So let me just visualize these things in a while using the line plot. Okay, while using the line plot. So here, like let plot plt plot figure. I'm just creating a figure. Okay, so now next part is what? So plt dot plot of x comma y, of x comma y. Now see, so here is the output is coming because of this spelling mistake. Okay, so let me just figure it out. So now see the output. So this one is nothing but the line plot. This one is nothing but the line plot only. For example, you need to just draw the what? You need to just draw a like scatter plot. Okay, you need to draw the scatter plot. So how to just draw that scatter plot? So here only, so you have to just write what? You have to just write that one command for that only. You have to just write like plt figure, and then so see the output. So here only, so you already know, so how to just draw the scatter plot. So here, so now some of you so having some confusion in between the line plot and the scatter plot. So here the data is which is represent like this, but the thing is what, here the line plot which will be simply just draw the line as while looking at to that data, but the thing is what, in the scatter plot the same thing is there, but the thing is what, so it will be draw in the scatter way. Scatter means it will be visible like this, means there dot 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 symbol is there. Clear, everyone? Clear? Okay, good. So now next point is what? So let me just draw one thing. So for example, let me just write the code. Okay, so now only so you will understand. So let plot dot figure, let plot dot figure, then fixed size, which is equal to, let 6 comma 3. 6,3. So now only, so what you have to find, so you can just see that, so here plt dot plot of what, that x comma, so x multiplied 2. So now only, so you can just go for that only also, for like plt dot plot, then x comma x multiplied 3. So now see the answer. So this is the things. Okay, so here only, so we will just plot like this. So this is the first introduction part of that Matplotlib, and please just do on your hands on. And if I have any doubt, you can just ask to me. And for that only shoot today. And from next class only, so we will just move on to that next part. So how to just draw like histograms and bar plots. So all these things we will just do. Okay, so it will take to 1, 2, or 3 classes. And then after that, it will be just completed. And then we'll just move to that Matplotlib, right? So let me again summarize these things. So this one is the library, inputting the library. And that after that, then I will just create that one, the x and y as a variable. And so you can just give any means like you can just manually, you can just take the simply any number. Okay, but I'm just taking that a range so that it will be easily create that range. Okay, so if you just print that x, then it will be show you the array, and that array is nothing but the nd array, and that nd means what, n-dimensional array, right? And the next point is what, so I'm just printing out that print x and y, so that it will be print that list of number. Okay, list of number, whatever things I just written. So here, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to what, 19. So total 20 element is there. So similarly, so it is what, 0, 2, 4 means even number is there. Why? Because I just multiplied the 2, right? So similarly, so I'm just using the typecasting and the type x. So here only, so numpy dot nd array, and type y is the what, numpy dot nd array. So as you already know, you are very smart, and you already know that nd array is nothing but the n-dimensional array, right? So here plt dot figure out, and we just we want to show that how means this is the data, and I want to just show it. Okay, so then it will be visualized like this, means we can just draw the graph like this. So this is the scatter plot, and this one is the things. Okay, so in next class only, so I will just means move level wise. So this is the level 0 class. Okay, so then next class only the level will be increases. Good. Okay. So bye. So we will meet you in the next class. Bye.